tired of slouching and experiencing discomfort from poor posture?
Well, if you are, look no farther. We have a simple exercise that you can do at home and really get tall and strong.
This exercise only takes 30 seconds to do, and in our opinion, it's one of the best posture correctors you can do.
So we recommend doing this exercise throughout the day. However, we're going to give you some additional exercises that are going to help you as well. And it's part of our giveaway for the week.
Yes, the Booyah Stik.
All right, to do this exercise, you're going to need a broomstick, a piece of dowel-in PVC pipe, or a Booyah stick. It should be about 5 feet long. Here we got this little mop thing handle. It works fairly good. It's a little short for me. I could put it on the floor is what I'd like to do, but it's short, so I'm going to actually put it on my chair like this. And this works really well. If you have a broom and you need to use this end because you got the broom over there, you simply take your shoe, put it on the floor or in your chair so that it does not slip around. It has to be stable there. And then you simply reach up as high as you can with your hands, and you're going to lean forward. There we go. Lean forward and get a stretch. Now you can do it seated, or Mike is demonstrating it standing.
Yes, so reach up as high as you can, and as you're reaching up and leaning forward, try to pull down. That's going to get the nice stretch you want, and it's going to help prevent any slouching, helps with your breathing, and Bob says it's even helping with his digestion. So give it a try if you're having issues in that realm. But do this and try to hold it for 3 breaths, right?
And relax and exhale. You're going to feel the lat stretch. You're going to feel the rib cage stretch. It's all the way down into the back and the shoulders, which helps with that posture we're looking for.
An alternative to this is to take the pole or stick or broom, whatever you have, and put it on one side, grab up with that single arm as high as you can, and kind of lean into it. So you're kind of getting the lat stretch a little more and just isolating the one side.
This also happens to be a nice stretch if you have one-sided low back pain. You can also do this and see how it responds. It can be an excellent stretch for that on the painful side.
Make sure to inhale and exhale for 3 breaths, and then switch sides. Make sure to do it on both sides. You don't want to become lopsided.
I've been lopsided all my life. All right, and the final stretch, this is one of my favorites for posture. Take your stick over the top of the shoulders, get it down in here, and we're going to bring the chest out, and at the same time bring the chin in. So it's called the chin tuck, chest out, and you'll feel a nice stretch right across the chest. Excuse me. Mike, you have some additional information that you appreciate with this?
I would just say do this 5 to 10 times. You can do reps or you can hold it. Just breathe through it. Nice, good stretch. Make sure you're grabbing wide. I can't bring my arms in. This is very uncomfortable. So grab nice
put your
and
arms
wide.
like this.
Yeah, just hang out like
There
this.
you go. I also do a little gentle rotation. Don't do this if it's uncomfortable. Just needs to be relaxed and comfortable. Breathe. And take it off, and you'll find there you are.
And
posture
is the giveaway for this
the
week.
Booyah Stik.
Yes, so you can sign up at bobbrad.com/giveaways, enter to win this thing, and it'll come in the mail, and you can use it for whatever you want.
Yes, it is a really nice stick. It's smooth. It's easy to grab onto. It's extremely tough. The only way to damage this is to burn it. And it is.
Did you try that?
No, but I might. But I know it'll burn. But it won't break. You will not break it. All right. Very good. Be careful. Be
Be gone.
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 Okay.